Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
This video shows how to connect an Android watch to a phone step by step. First, check compatibility. Your phone must run Android 8, 0 or later, and have Bluetooth 4, 2 or newer. Check the watch requirements from the manufacturer and ensure it supports Wear OS or the brand app. Make sure the watch is charged at least 30% and stays within 30 feet of the phone during setup. Install the Wear OS app or the manufacturer app from the Play Store on the phone. Enable Bluetooth and location permissions when prompted by the app. Open the Wear OS app or the manufacturer app and tap Start Pairing to pair devices. The phone will scan for nearby watches using Bluetooth and location services. When the watch appears on the phone, tap its name and confirm the matching code shown on both screens. Accept all requested permissions for notifications, contacts, and location to enable full functionality. Sign in with your Google account or follow the manufacturer account steps to sync data. Wait up to 10 minutes for apps and watch faces to install and for initial data sync to finish. If pairing fails, restart both the phone and the watch and retry the process within 30 feet. Confirm Bluetooth and location are enabled and airplane mode is off on both devices before retrying. If synchronization stalls beyond 15 minutes, clear the app cache or reinstall the Wear OS or manufacturer app. Unpair and factory reset the watch only as a last resort to resolve persistent issues. For reliable notifications, enable battery optimization exceptions for the watch app on the phone. Keep the watch firmware and phone apps updated for best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.